What is this? This is paint protection film, also known as clear bra or PPF. It is an adhesive-backed polyurethane film that is about 8 mils thick. You have a liner on the back end and a protective cap sheet on the front, with the polyurethane film in the middle. It's a clear, durable film that protects the vehicle from scratches, rock chips, door dings, UV rays, and oxidation. What sets paint protection film apart is its self-healing technology. Minor scratches and swirl marks disappear with the application of heat. The film usually comes in a glossy or matte finish that pairs nicely with the paint on your vehicle. Now, the cool thing about paint protection film is, let's say your vehicle has a gloss paint finish, you can add matte PPF on top to have this beautiful matte conversion and have this beautiful stealthy finish. Now, if you remove the backing, you can see the film now. But once this film is installed, it will be transparent and invisible to the eye. As you can see, this is a very stretchy material that is very durable, and it will also contour to your vehicle's curves. To show you guys how durable paint protection film really is, we're gonna grab this new piece over here, and I'm gonna have my assistant, once I put this back, stab this repeatedly to show you how strong it is. Harder than that. See what I mean? Very durable. Paint protection film can be applied to most of the vehicle, including the front bumper, the headlights, the full hood, full fenders, A-pillars, mirrors, full doors, door cups, door edges, and pretty much any painted surface on the vehicle. Now, if you care about your investments and you want them to last, I highly recommend getting paint protection film to protect your investments and really give it that nice finish. Again, guys, my name is Ben with Ceramic Pro. If you guys have any questions or comments, drop them down below.